How's it going? Really happy to make this video today because I finally got my Maxton design rear valence on. So I'm just gonna make a short little video and show you guys the process of how I got it, what I had to do, and how it came out. So I ordered the valence off of the Maxton Design USA website. Came out to about $320 shipped. That was with the Memorial Day discount code. That was, I think, 20% off, around there. It might have been 15. So yeah, that came out to about $320. And then I actually took it to a buddy of mine, to a body shop, and he fixed the bumper and trimmed it, and he painted it. He paint matched it, and it came out just, you know, perfect, honestly. So that was another $200. So all in, total was about maybe $550. So yeah, I ordered off of Maxton Design USA. When I actually got the rear valence, it was nowhere near how it looks right now. So the only option they had available to ship right away was the gloss black, which is this color right here. You can see that's all gloss. And he had to paint match it to my blue metallic. The way we fit it was, so first off I took the stock valence off, and once I got that off, I tried to put this one on, but the thing about this rear bumper, it was really easy to take off, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in a little bit. But these pieces come off, this whole piece comes off, and there's a couple screws in the back. But when you take off the rear valence and you put in the new one, not only is it not a direct fit, but it's actually really hard to even make it stay put, because there's little tabs that connect the rear valence to the actual bumper itself, with these little holes that once the tabs from the rear valence go in, the rear bumper kind of clips into the tabs from the rear valence. So my body shop guy's solution to that was that once we put the tabs in to the actual bumper, he just put a couple screws in key places, and you can see the fit still isn't 100%. You know, my body shop guy is great, but there's little gaps right there, and I think the most noticeable one is on this side, on the driver's side. You can actually see it right here on the bottom. Let me see if that'll focus. Yeah. So there's a tiny little gap. It's not a huge problem though, because the bumper is super secure, and I'm gonna show you why. So when you take off the rear bumper, there's a ton of little screws that go into the back. So there's one on each side behind the wheel. That's gonna be behind the actual fender liner right here. So it's gonna be right up in here. And then if you have mud flaps like I do, this right here is gonna screw into the rear valence. And lastly, we also have, let me get on the ground here. We've also got a couple screws right there. That's an OEM mounting point. And again on the other side, right over here. Hopefully you can see that one right there. So it's super secure. I'm actually not worried at all that it's gonna fly off or anything. We've also got these right here that you need to take off, and taillights, of course. But apart from that, very easy to install it myself. You know, once he got that fitment part done, because the bumper is probably the easiest piece of the puzzle here. But yeah, that's the finished product right there. I just wanted to share it to you guys because for some reason it's nearly impossible to find any content on these parts, you know, being that they're from the UK and everything. But let me know what you guys think. I think this is probably the best looking rear bumper for the Focus. I really like the RS style, but that center exit exhaust is amazing, and I actually really love it. So if you have any questions, you know, about how to do this or whatever, I'm gonna leave my Instagram down below. so you guys can follow me and ask any questions. And I'm probably gonna make another video talking about the whole car, so it'll probably be uploaded around the same time. So just stay tuned and let me know, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you.